Okay, students, this week we are going to be multiplying decimals. Last week, if you remember, we added and subtracted decimals, and the first thing you had to do was make sure you line the decimal points up. Well, when you're multiplying decimals, you don't line the decimal points up. So let's look. If it's 3 62/100 times 5 8/10, you just write it as if it is 362. Times 58. Okay, so we can go ahead and put our decimal points in there. Notice that they are not lined up. So you're going to multiply it as if the decimal points aren't there, as if it is 362 times 58. So 8 times 2 is 16. Put the 6 down and carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 is 49. Put the 9 down and carry the 4. Now 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Now we have to multiply through by the 5. So then we're going to put our placeholder underneath the 6. So we're going to start our answer underneath the 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We put our 0 down and we carry our 1. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. Put our 1 and carry our 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Then we add 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we have to place our decimal point. So we go back up here at 3 62/100. How many places do we have to move it to get it to the end? 2 places. Okay, here's the decimal point. We have to move it 1 place. For a total then of 2 plus 1 is 3. So we come down here in our answer and we move it 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So then our answer would be 20 and 996 thousandths. And guys, if you look at it, 3 62/100 would round to 4. And 5 8/10 would round to 6. Well, 6 times 4 is 24. So then the decimal point, with the decimal point being there, that lets you know that it is a reasonable answer. Okay, that our decimal point is correct.